Last line is very beautiful. Kaschid dhiraha pratyagatmanamaikshat. So, Kaschid dhiraha, he has one name. Dhiraha means dhatte iti dhiraha, which holds the higher principles of life, is called dhiraha. बोले माई लाइफ इज फॉर गॉड. लो बड़ी मुश्किल बात है ये तो भाई. आई हैव गिवन माई लाइफ फॉर वन प्रिंसिपल. Which principle is there? My principle is I am going to serve some. I am living for some principle. I am not living for vasana. I am not living for ego. I am not living for attachment. I am living for some principle, some higher principle. Which principle? I am living for my country. I am living for God. I am living for Guru. I am living for truth. I am living for selfless existence like Rantidev. Or I am living for maybe for parents like Shravan Kumar etc. कोई तो प्रिंसिपल रखो ना. Principle is don't live for yourself only. Like the trees don't live for themselves. Paropkaraya vahanti nadyaha. Paropkaraya duyanti gavaha. So the rivers are paropkaraya phalanti vrikshaha. So the trees are giving fruits to somebody else. Rivers are flowing for somebody else. Cows are giving milk for, cow doesn't drink its own milk. Not that you milk the cow and cow drink all the milk. Cow is not a cat. Or the fruit was there, mango tree ate all the fruit last night. Not like that. So this principle is there. What is the principle? Life should not be lived for your body. It should be for someone higher. So some person is there. He dares. What he dares? He dares. Dhatte iti dhiraha. He holds some principle. Another meaning of dhira is dhiyam rati, which explains the intellect. Which can convince the intellect that this is right. You like or not, you have to do this work. Dhiyam rati. This is also dhiyam. Dhiyam rakshati. That is dhiraha, which protects that intellect. So some rare person is there. He walks forward. He said, okay, let me see. What is the problem? What's the problem? The problem is, I will sort that out. Kaschid dhira. Then what happens? What is his name? His name is AC. Whose name? This dhira's name is AC. AC means what? Avrita chakshu. See the word he has written. This is nominative case. Avrita chakshu. So Avrita chakshu's son is nominative. So one is there. Avrita chakshu, he has closed his eyes. Closed, not literally closed. How will I walk? He will fall down. Closed his eyes means that he has a life in which he is not habit to bring the world in the mind. He uses the world to serve the Lord. He uses the word to know the self. He uses the word to purify his mind. He uses the word to sacrifice. He does not use the world to get tormented by the likes and dislikes from the world. This is called avrita chakshu. Nahi chahiye humko. No, I don't want it. Kaschid dhiraha. And why he does like that? Aimlessly? No. Then amritatvam icchan. He wants immortality. Immortality. Yagyavalk had two wives. One was Maitri, other was Gargi. So he said, I am going to the forest for contemplation. I think this is in Upanishad Ganga also, one episode maybe there. So he said, I am going for forest. So this Gargi asked, Bole, hey Prabhu, why you are going to the forest? Bole, you will come back? Bole, no, I won't come back now. He said, why? Bole, I am going to know that, after which you don't feel that I will die. Some truth is there. I will revel in that truth and I will absorb my life in that. I will let my life be consumed by the truth only, which is mentioned in the Upanishads. He said, this is your area, this is the treasury, this is the keys, this is the gold. You can put on all the ornaments and you can rule the kingdom. And now I am going. One wife said, 1 minute. Small question. All that what you are giving to me, the military, the gold, the people, will I also get that immortality which you are going to get there? Quite a wise wife was there. Difficult to get wise wife. So anywhere wisdom is difficult. Wise husband is also difficult. Anywhere wise person is difficult to get. One wise person is enough instead of having thousands of foolish person. In Mahabharata, this slok had come one day. So he said, please tell me, oh mere Prabhu, mere Pati Dev, please tell me. So Yagyavalji said, bhai baitho, baith jao. Well, I'm sorry. This gold, you won't get that immortality. Well, military, no. My putting on nice ornament and makeup, sorry. Then that brave wife said, Ten am kim kuryam, ye na amritatvam syam. Bole, that which will not give me the absolute joy forever, what will I do for all these things? ये हीरो हैं सब. Got the point? You are giving me everything, that means it will not give me joy in short forever. Anything which will not give me joy forever, I think, you keep your dance and you keep your music with you. I don't want it. Don't give me some kind of chocolate, etc. I don't want small pieces of chocolate. I want that state through which my sorrows go away forever. Otherwise, again sorrow of death will be there, again sorrow of birth will be there, again I'll become samsari, again I have to study in the next birth. This birth I struggled so much, study I was so weak, and again I have to get married. This birth already I am suffering because of marriage. Again I have to have children. Again, if human being, if you are animal, then forget about all these things. Animals, there is nothing called caesarean operation of the animal. When the cow delivers the calf, it is a lot of pain is there. In all mammals, the delivery of the baby is full of pain. Whether it is monkey, whether it is buffalo, whether it is tiger. You can, only thing animals don't, they can cry, but they don't do verbal expression. So they will stand at one point and only thing lot of pain is there. And if the master is ruthless, he doesn't bother about all these things. So at that place only the cow delivers the calf with lot of pain. Not that cow is given injection, pain reliever injection is there, or epidural is there. So epidural is an injection that is given in the spine in the delivery time, so that there can painless delivery. Something is there. It's not like that. Okay, so that baby, the calf, that it falls down. Not that bed is there and within few seconds, within few minutes, that stands on its feet. That calf, etc. Elephant calf or the cow calf. Not that human being, the baby can't stand on the feet. Although some people can't stand whole life on their feet, but this baby calf is not immediately. It is full of blood and all these things all around. As soon as delivery, खूब pain होता है. And now that forest has been taken out, so immediately the animals are caught by the human being. Rhinoceros are fast reducing in this country. They say another 50 to 100 years there will be no rhinoceros also. Ruthless people, they just take away the rhinoceros. The elephant, the teeth, tusk, they cut that. Many elephants die because of the rail accident. Many are shot dead. And many elephants are chained. If you go to Kerala temples, that is a horrible scene. The elephant, both the feet are chained, so it can't run away very fast. And in their mating season, they get very mad, intoxicated. So they become very violent. So they are chained from five chains are holding that elephant. You go and see, you can't see that. That pathetic scenes are there. An elephant can't run away. By that time, five people are pulling from behind, and somebody is pulling the tail. This is the plight. If cow is there, everybody wants to milk. Now machines are kept. There are machines through which the cow is milked. If you go to New Zealand, the machines are there. And what to say of rooster, etc. A lot of butcheries are also there. This crocodile farm is there. The farm is there not for anything. The skin of crocodile is very good for purse, etc. Sometimes live are thrown in the hot water. Crab, etc. live thrown on the tawa. So this is how animals are in a pathetic state. Animals are in a pathetic state all over the world. Therefore, animal activists have come up in the forefront to protect that animals, because human being is very cruel animal. Lions are decreasing, tigers are decreasing. Everywhere problems are there. And therefore, this seeker who thinks, who don't know what actions will make me animal also. Animals, what actions will take? And because every animal's skin is very good. Even the snake skin is used for purse and for something. This, that newly born lamb is there, or the goat, that skin is used for shawl. Shawl. In Kashmir, shawls are there. You don't know what you are using it. Therefore, in temples, we don't use leather while doing puja, because leather is made out of maybe skin of cow, etc. Belt, and if you go to South Indian temples, they'll ask you to take out the belt. All leather items, you take it out. Okay, this is how we are surviving. And as a human being, you don't know what will happen to us, which accident is going to happen, what wife will get, what husband will get. One foolish person around you, husband, wife, spoil the whole life. Lot of wife beaters are there. Lot of people are suffering. They are suffocated in the house. They can't say anything outside. Society is there. They don't divorce also. And this is how they continue for whole life, full of problems. So this person is there, seeker. He foresaw. He had a foresight. He saw everything. He said, I don't want to get into a quagmire. I think when opportunity is there for my life, I think rest of the life, I want to know something so that I'm out of this, all this chaos that is in my life and in future lives, because lot of fruits are in waiting. Sometimes these robbers come, stab somebody, I hear 20 times, 10 times, unnecessarily. That person already offers everything. Woman is there, somebody was stabbed here. We hear in Chatsworth only, that woman was there. Somebody they are killing, somebody they tie. We don't know what they will do. To which extent they will go, we don't know about all these things. This is how we are pulling around. And we also don't know what disease we have to go through it. And therefore, Kaschit Dhira. Kaschit indicates very rare person. Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschit. Kaschit is a singular. Kaha Kauke. Kam Kaukan. So, Kaschit. Koi. Some rare soul. Some rare person. Who is very wise. What he says, I don't want the world inside. ये डिफिकल्ट हो गया. बोले अच्छा खाना खा ले, टेक गुड फूड. बोले नो, आई वॉन्ट टेक वेरी गुड फूड. नो. Very tasty biryani. No, very tasty. No. Arey, get married to somebody nice, wife is there, he'll press your hand, press your feet properly, press your head. I don't want. You will have ready food. Somebody will come in your house and he will say, please take this food, Nath. ये क्या? Here you have to stand in a queue in the ashram. She will not make you chant 15 chapter also. And nice. She will bring jug also. You will wash hand there also. And you can order, please get achar. One pickle, I want one mango pickle, one lemon pickle, one chili pickle. All bring three, all three. Yes. You are eating roti with the pickle or pickle with the roti. So no, I like pickle actually. It is my weakness, whatever you call it, but I like. I can't eat without that. Okay, and she is making pickle for you. Okay, such a nice wife is there. She will take the food, take away the plate also, keep it, wash the clothes, iron it, hang it everywhere. Acha, set the bed. Not that you have to make your bed. Such a nice wife is there. ये wife ले लो अच्छे से. All the time she'll be standing. Yes. Some wives are there. All the time standing. What can I do? What we need? Headache is there. Okay, take this medicine. Wives give, not this person is opening the tablet also. Wife is coming, taking the tablet out of that, and she is giving the water. Thank God she is not taking for him. So she is the one, take the strips out and she, please take this. Please take the tablet. Please, how are you feeling now? Headache is there little. Headache is there. Oh, so much headache is there. I can't take so much. I think we have to go to the doctor. Here headache is there. Nobody cries also. Nobody asks also. कब से headache हो रहा है? Nobody asks us. मरे जा रहे headache के मारे. कोई पूछता भी नहीं क्या headache. बोले अच्छा headache is there. It is cold. Go to the doctor. बस. Go to the doctor. Who will take me to the doctor, भाई? You go car, driving license you just got. Car is there. Tell Prithviraj ji, this time car is required. You take the car and go. Where? Nandlal, Anandlal, all Lals are there. So many doctors are around. Go, खुद ही चलाएं. Headache is there. Yes. What is it? Not that serious. You can't drive. You can drive and go to the doctor. Take money from somewhere. अरे what is this? And wife was there. कितना असर करती बेचारी. रोती भी, हाथ पैर दबाती. Every 10 times she should have asked you. What a sympathy the wives give. रोने लगेंगी. अच्छा लगता है. But if somebody cries with my pain, it will feel good. Husband is there. Husband will say, no, I can't take it anymore. I think let us go out. Let us see something. Today is, let us go out and eat. Here, so many years have passed. We have not gone out to eat. So many years have passed. Well, let us go out. Today is your birthday and today is our anniversary. We'll go out and we'll be on the first. We'll go to sea beach. Then we'll go to botanical garden. We'll have the snacks there. Then we'll go to Jewel of India. Then this is the new clothes have been brought. इतना अच्छा लगता है घर में. Today Chacha ji is coming, Nana ji is coming. We are having some party today. We are having bride today outside. It is a long weekend. We thought of going to Drakensberg, South Coast. We have booked one chalet. All these things you do, put on half pant, go on roaming on the sea beach. ये सब करो. Here Sunday also class, Saturday also class, Diwali also class, Dashera also class. Every day satsang, every day morning, evening. मर जाएंगे सत्संग करते करते इतना. Every day satsang. Don't come, 10 questions you have to answer. Why you are not in the sun? What happened? Well, one day at least I can sleep till late. There should be one day in a week. There should be no restriction of sleeping. You need not come in the temple. It should be total option. One day I should catch up with all the lagging sleep that I have. Every day you have to answer why you are late. Every time you have to say, I don't know how long I'll live. अरे एक तो सो ले अच्छे भाई. One day I want to be totally free. No restriction of sleeping late, getting up late. Anything you want to. Let us go out and chill. Go out. Just कुछ भी करो. One day should be there. So much of No, it is my choice. Why? I don't like any such thing. What you don't like? I don't like to waste time. In the same 2 hours, I can read at least 9 chapters of Bhagavad Gita. I can complete my pending Parayan. I don't like it. No, wastage of time. Entertainment, I have so much of joy. I don't need outer entertainment. I'll go in the temple and sit and do my own meditation. That is my fulfillment. You don't want wife? No. Why? Because she will always take my whole time and whole life. I'll get too attached to the wife. Next birth, I'll become a woman then. I don't want. You don't want? No. Why? Because I have to give lot of attention and already I'm quite attachment oriented person. I will immediately get attached to such a wife. I think I don't want it. Because I will never have independence now. Oh, sure. Decided. 100%. What's your project now? My project is just to revel here. What is the truth? I want to be out of all problems forever. I don't want to have calm. I don't want to have anger. I don't want to have attachment. I don't want to have hatred. I don't want to have jealousy. Anything I don't want which will disturb me. I want to go inside. What the scriptures are talking, that goal, why can't I attain? Why what Bhagwan had said, Maye mana adhatsva, why can't I have that status? Ye to sarvani karmani, why can't I have that? It's a heavy cost you have to give. I am ready for all cost. Ready. You can give up everything. Everybody, everything I can give up. You can give up your ego. Of course, I will give it up. Wow. Bon voyage. ये हीरो वाले रास्ते हैं. कश्चित धीरा प्रत्यगात्मानम ऐक्षत आवृत चक्षु. Don't see it. Don't. Therefore, sannyasis have a lot of restrictions. Don't see that. Don't do that. Don't. Why? Because vasanas are so much. Little you ignite, whole vasana will blast. You have to handle the, what is it called, gunpowder very carefully. Gunpowder and fire should not be close to each other. We have a lot of blasting powder, vasana powder inside. Little you ignite, whole will blast out, you will go out of control. So better to keep little at distance. Acha? Yes. Why? Because it will consume all my other time. I will not be fit for my. Why you are sleeping on time? So I can get up early for meditation. Why are you doing yoga? So that I can sit for a longer time. My feet is paining. I want to sit for a long. Why you are eating light? So that after eating, I need not have a long nap of 3-4 hours. I just want a quick nap of 20 minutes. Power nap. My stomach should be light. Oh, yes. Therefore, you are eating less. Therefore, we have to eat like that, not less. Eat like moderate. We have to take something. Okay. Why not attach? Because if I get attached to, I have that person will enter my mind and I have to give a lot of attention to that person. My mind will become very weak. Therefore, I want to keep distance to everybody. Let everybody quit. Namaste. Chaliye apne raste. I have no problem with anybody. Why don't you get? Why are avoiding hating that? No, hating will make my mind a gas stove. So I don't want a gas stove inside my mind. It is already sufficient in the kitchen is there. I don't want to burn inside. I want to have cool mind because I need to do job. I need to train my mind. I want to focus. I want to purify. I want to make it more subtler. This is it. Are you sure you can do it? Of course, God is with me. I'll go ahead. But we are very weak at times. I'll get over that weakness. Give me some opportunity. Give me some time. Give me few years. I'll do it. Definitely. But you don't do any tapasya. I'm trying to do some tapasya. Slowly I'll do more tapasya. I'll increase that. Are you happy? I'm much more happy, but I can be much more happier. This is my source of my joy. I don't depend on anybody. If anybody is there who lives in your life, you'll be sad. Nothing is like that. Let anybody wants to come, let anybody wants to go. I don't bother anybody. Kaschit dhira pratyagatman amikshat avritta chakshu amrutatvam icchan. Icchan is Shatru Pratyay, present continuous. So Amritatvam Icchan Pratyagatmanam Aikshat. Aikshat means he discovered the Atma Gyan. Pratyagatmanam means Atma Gyan he discovered. Atma Gyan. So Amritatvam Icchan Avrita Chakshu Kaschidira Pratyagatmanam Aikshat. So the object of Aikshat word is Pratyagatmanam. Pratyagatmanam means he is Aikshat. That means he is discovering the Atma Gyan. Got my point? Or afraid? It's okay. Shankaracharya Bhagwan writes, Kaschidira, he says there, एवं स्वभावे अपि सति लोकस्य कश्चित नद्याः प्रतिस्रोत प्रतिवर्तनम इव धीरः. Some person is trying to take the river back to its source. So natural to do all these things. So natural. The life of brahmacharya is not that easy life. Here people die to marry somebody. So, well, I'll kill my love. In one film also came, एक दूजे के लिए. हम मिले तुम मिले एक दूजे के लिए. Some film was like for each other, and in that one scene was there. Some clip I saw somewhere. I don't know that film. Both jump in the river. Both foolish, boy and girl. ऐसे उसी में था ना? अच्छा. So I did not see the film. Film I never saw because in my house film was not allowed. Only one film per year, and that too parents will be there with you. And what kind of film? Hathi Mere Saathi, Jai Santoshi Ma, Kranti. No other film. Mother is sitting there. I never saw any film of Amitabh Bachchan. Imagine my plight. Nothing. When we went in the colleges, etc., then after the exam, friends said, today we should go for film. Then mother will say, no, I think you should go now. Interest was not there too much. I said, where to? Well, no, everybody is going, you also. But when I started walking out in the society, then says Swami, see this clip, I am sending this clip. Arey, what is there? A clip. Both jumped. Both foolish people. Both jumped in the river. एक दूजे के लिए उसका नाम होता है. Be for God, not for one foolish person, is for another foolish person. Imagine what a plight. Two blind people for each other. ये नहीं चाहिए हमको. Then what you want? वृत्त चक्षु. हमें तो बड़ी चीज चाहिए. हमें सब. I will not be satisfied by this small. Toys what you give. House toy, wife toy, husband toy, child toy, job toy, name, fame toy. Therefore, Toyota train also, car is also there. There's also a toy. I don't want this thing which is very flimsy. I want something bigger. Amritatvam Icchan. Then Pratyagatmanam Aikshata. He is there. Now next verse is also telling about the Shruti is now scolding such people who are after such flimsy things. I told you it's like a mother, it scolds also. It praises also. It praised the Dhiraha person. Now he is scolding and praising both. What is that? We will see it in our next class. My time passes very fast.